Dear students, Namaste and welcome back to a new mathematics session. In the previous session, we have discussed the surface area of cone. Hope it was clear for you all. In today's session, we shall discuss the surface area of sphere and hemisphere. Let's move on to the topic. Let's begin with the surface area of sphere. This is the shape of a sphere, and as you notice, the sphere is having only one surface, that is a curved surface, that is a round surface which is around the sphere. So the total surface area and the curved surface area both are same in case of sphere, and there is only one surface, that is called the curved surface, and the total surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. As we know that pi r square is the area of circle, so surface area of sphere is 4 into the area of circle. Here pi r square, in the sense r is the radius of the sphere, so where r is the radius of the sphere. And when we discuss about half of the sphere, that is called the hemisphere. Hemisphere is the half of the sphere, and here there are two surfaces. One is the curved portion, that is this one, that is called the curved surface, and there is one more face or surface, that is the circular portion, that is the flat circular face. So there are two surfaces in case of the hemisphere. Here, first of all, let's discuss about the curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, or 2 into area of circle. 2 pi r square, r is the radius of the hemisphere, and the total surface area of hemisphere is curved surface area plus this flat surface area. Flat surface also a circle, so 2 pi r square plus pi r square, so total 3 pi r square. Here also r is the radius of the hemisphere. Now let's watch a presentation explaining about the surface area of sphere. Move on to the exercise questions. Exercise number 13.4. First question. Assume pi is equal to 22 by 7 unless stated otherwise. Means if the value of pi is 22 by 7 is given to you, that you have to take, or else some other values like 3.14 if it is given, that you have to take. Find the surface area of sphere of radius. First question, 10.5 centimeter. So here the spherical shaped object is there. The radius is given to us 10.5 centimeter. So we have to find out the surface area of this sphere. So here the radius is given to us, r is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Then surface area of sphere formula we know, that is 4 pi r square. So let's substitute the values. 4 into pi value, it is given to us 22 by 7 into r square, means r multiplying 2 times. Here r is given to us 10.5. So 10.5 into 10.5. Here we can cancel 7 and 10.5. It is 1.5 times. 7 and 105, it is 15 times. So here there is a decimal. So you have to write it as 1.5. Now let's multiply 4, 22, 10.5 and 1.5. Here 105 and 15, with ignoring the decimal, if you take the numbers and multiply 105 and 15, if you multiply, you will get 1575. Then 22 into 4, when we do the mental calculation, it will come as 88. So when we multiply 1575 with 88, we will get us 1,38,600. So this calculation you have to do, please do not copy. And here after the decimal 1 digit, here also after the decimal 1 digit, means after the decimal 2 digits we have to take, means the decimal will come here between 6 and 0. So the answer is 1386 centimeter square. So since the area, surface area is mentioned, so the unit is centimeter square. Next one, radius is given to us 5.6 centimeter. So the sphere is taken, radius is 5.6 centimeter. Let's write the radius, r is equal to 5.6 centimeter. This also, like the previous one, it is a direct question. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Let's write the formula. If you know the formula and how to multiply the numbers, here the answer we will get easily. That is equal to 4 into pi value, it is given to us 22 by 7 into r is given 5.6. So 5.6 into 5.6. 7 and 5.6 we can cancel 0.8 times. Then just multiply 88 into 5.6 into 0.8. Here I am not showing the calculation. This calculation you must do it and verify that your answer is 394.24 centimeter square. And here, since it is a direct question, only the work what we have is just multiplying these numbers. So if you are unable to do the multiplication, then you may not get the correct answer and the full mark as well. So try to learn multiplication without mistake, means zero error multiplication you have to do. So the answer is 394.24 centimeter square. Next we shall discuss the second question. Assume pi is equal to 22 by 7 unless stated otherwise. Find the surface area of sphere of diameter. Here it is given to us 14 centimeter. Unlike the previous question, here it is given to us diameter. Previously it was given radius. So we have taken a spherical shaped object or a sphere. Diameter we have marked as 14 centimeter. So diameter is given to us 14 centimeter. Then as we know, the radius is half of the diameter. R is equal to diameter by 2. That is 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. Since we get the radius is 7 centimeter, the calculation will be easy because this 22 by 7 denominator 7 and this 7 can be cancelled. So surface area of sphere formula we will write, that is 4 pi r square. That is 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r square, that is 7 into 7. Here we can cancel 1 7 from the numerator and denominator. Then we will get us 4 into 22, 88 into 7. So 88 into 7 when we multiply, you will get it as 660. So here there is no decimal. So just we can write the answer as it is 660 centimeter square. Second question, the diameter is given to us 21 centimeter. So radius of sphere is diameter divided by 2. So half of the diameter is the radius. So here we have a diameter 21 centimeter. So 21 divided by 2, that is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Here surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. We will write the formula. Then let's substitute it. 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is 10.5. Radius square. That means 10.5 into 10.5. So here this calculation part you will do it as homework. Move on to the third question. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Here pi value is given to us 3.14. So you must note the given value of pi. Here total surface area of hemisphere. The shape which is given to us is hemisphere. Radius is 10 centimeter. So this is the shape of a hemisphere. Radius is given to us 10 centimeter. So let's calculate. Radius r is equal to 10 centimeter. Then total surface area of hemisphere, that is what we have to calculate. We know the formula, that is 3 pi r square. So let's substitute it. 3 into pi value is given to us 3.14. Multiply it. 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. That is equal to 3 into 3.14. So here when you check after the decimal, here there are 2 digits, but here again multiply with 10 into 10. Means when we multiply 3.14 and 100, the decimal place will go. Means the decimal will come after 2 digits. That means 314 will come. So 3 into 314. Just we can do the mental calculation. That is 942. So 3 into 300, 900. 14 into 3 is 42. So 900 plus 42 is 942 centimeter square. Try to learn both mental calculation and normal multiplication also, so that wherever it is convenient we can use and we will get the answer correctly. So 3 into 314 is equal to 942 centimeter square. Move on to the fourth question. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon. Here the radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. As we know, balloon is in spherical shape, and as the air is pumped in, the volume will increase or the size of the balloon will increase. Means if you say the radius is increasing from 7 to 14 as the air is pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon. That is what we have to calculate. First it was 7 centimeter. That time the surface area you have to calculate. Next it was 14 centimeter. That time also you have to find out the surface area. Then we have to find out the ratio. We have to divide one with another one. So in the two cases, that is R1 is 7 centimeter. That is the first time when the normal size when it was there, the balloon radius is 7 centimeter. Next, when the air is pumped into it, the size is increasing and the radius is increasing from 7 to 14 centimeter. It's quite a simple question. We just calculate the surface areas of these two cases. So let R1 be the radius of the smaller balloon, that is 7 centimeter. And here two radii are mentioned, so we can take it as R1 and R2. So R2 be the radius of the larger balloon, that is 14 centimeter. Surface area of sphere, we know the formula 4 pi r square. We know that the shape of the balloon, it is mentioned here spherical balloon. Then ratio of their surface areas is equal to surface area of smaller balloon. Smaller balloon one, smaller radius is mentioned first. So we can take it is in the numerator. Surface area of smaller balloon divided by surface area of bigger balloon. That is equal to 4 pi r1 square. 4 pi r square is the surface area sphere. Since here there are two radii, so we can take it as r1 and r2. So 4 pi r1 square divided by 4 pi r2 square. Here no need to substitute at present because here there is a common term in the numerator and denominator, that is 4 pi. We can cancel it. Then we will get the answer as r1 square divided by r2 square. Now we can go for substitution. That is 7 square. R1 is 7. So 7 square divided by R2 is 14. So 14 square. That is equal to 7 square. We can write it as 7 into 7 divided by 14 square means multiplying 42 times. 14 into 14. Here 7 and 14 we can cancel 2 times. Here also 7 and 14 we can cancel 2 times. So numerator we will be having only 1. Denominator we will be having 2 into 2. So 1 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. That is 1 divided by 4. So the ratio is 1:4. Next we shall discuss question number 5. A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating it on the side at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Let's go through the question. A hemispherical bowl made of brass. Here the shape is hemisphere. It is made of brass. As inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. So inner diameter is given to us. So we can calculate the inner radius. That is 10.5 by 2. That is 5.25 will come. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside. So we are going to tin plate the inside of the bowl at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Means for 100 centimeter square we have to pay rupees 16. That means how much cost it will be there. It can be given for this hemispherical bowl to be tin plated. Here there is a ball, it is given to us, diameter is mentioned, that is 10.5 centimeter. It's just simply a visualization of the given question. Then we are going to tin plate, means some coating we have to do inside of this bowl. First of all, we have to identify which area to be tin plated. It is mentioned inside. Inside means the curved portion. Inside means the curved portion of this hemispherical bowl. So by using the formula, first of all, we have to find out the area to be tin plated. That is curved surface area of this bowl. Radius we will get from here. Then after getting the curved surface area, we have to multiply the area with the cost per meter square. Here it is, sorry, centimeter square. Here it is 100 centimeter square is given rupees 16. So 1 centimeter square cost is rupees 16 by 100. With that amount we have to multiply with the area. So here radius of hemisphere we can calculate, that is diameter by 2, as I mentioned before, 10.5 by 2. 10.5 by 2 is 2 and 10, it will go 5 times, then 0.5 means 0.5 will go 2 times, that is 4, remainder 1, 10. So 5.25 centimeter will come. Curved surface area of hemisphere, as I mentioned here and before, the area which is to be plated, tin plated, is inside. That means the curved portion of the bowl. So curved surface area we have to calculate by using the formula 2 pi r square. 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. Here pi value is not mentioned, so you can choose 22 by 7. If it is not mentioned, better to use 22 by 7, not 3.14. Into radius square. Radius square is 5.25 into 5.25. Here 7 and 5.25 we can cancel, 0.75 times. Then let's multiply it. Here without decimal, if you take 525 and 75, two numbers when we multiply, we will get 39,375. Then here 22 into 2 we will get 44. Just multiply with the 44. The previous answer multiply with the 44, we will get 1732500. Here then count the number of digits after the decimal. Here 2 digits after the decimal, here 2 digits after the decimal. So total 2 plus 2, 4 digits. Means from the right if you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the decimal will come between 3 and 2. So 173.25 centimeter square is the area which is to be tin plated. Then let's write the cost. Cost of tin plating is given to us for 100 centimeter square, it is rupees 16. From here we can calculate 1 centimeter square cost. Means just to bring 100 to the right side denominator. So 16 divided by 100. For 100 centimeter square rupees 16 means for 1 centimeter square we'll get 16 by 100. Then we have to find out the cost of tin plating, 173.25 centimeter square area. For 1 centimeter square area, rupees 16 by 100. For 173.25 centimeter square area, just multiply 16 by 100 with 173.25. So here denominator is 100. So no need of cancellation. First multiply the numerators. That is 17325 into 16. Ignoring the decimal, and if you take the number and multiply, we will get it as 277200. And here after the decimal 2 digits. After the decimal 2 digit means the decimal will come between 2 and 0. So 2772 will come. Again denominator there is a 100. Denominator there is a 100 means again we have to move the decimal 2 digits from the right to left. So the answer will come as 27.72. Once again 16 into 173.25 when you multiply, you will get as this answer. Means decimal where it comes in the sense here after decimal 2 digits means 2 digits from the right, means these 2 zeros will be going and we will be having 2772 only. Then again here denominator there is 100, means again we have to move the decimal 2 digits to the left, means from here we have to move 2 digits, in the sense it will come between these two sevens. So 27.72 will be the final answer. So rupees 27.72 is our answer. Next we shall discuss the sixth question. Assume pi is equal to 22 by 7 unless stated otherwise. Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Here indirect question it is given to us. Surface area is given 154 centimeter square. We are asked to calculate the radius. So there is a sphere with no radius. Only surface area is given to us. We have to find out the radius by using the surface area. So let's take the radius be r. Let r be the radius of the sphere. It is an unknown quantity. Surface area we know the formula. It is 4 pi r square. Then surface area it is given to us 154. Just substitute below surface area, that is 154 centimeter square is equal to, here we can substitute the available values. Only pi value is given to us 22 by 7. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. Then here 4 into 22 into r square, these are on the right side. Here you can see 4 into 22 into r square is equal to, this 7 you can take to the left side. Denominator 7 will go to the numerator when you cross multiply. So 154 into 7. From here r square we can calculate. R square means these two quantities we can take to the right side. When these two products come to the right side, then it will come as denominator. So r square is equal to 154 into 7 divided by 4 into 22 will come here as denominator. Then here 22 and 154 we can cancel 7 times. Then r square is equal to 7 into 7. You will get 49 divided by denominator is 4. So 49 and 4. These two numbers are perfect square numbers. So if from r square, if you want to calculate the square root, you have to take the square root of 49 by 4. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 4 is 2. Because 7 into 7 is 49. 2 into 2 is 4. When you take the square root of 49 will come as 7. Square root of 4 will come as 2. So r is equal to 7 divided by 2. When you divide 7 and 2, we will get the answer as 3.5. Simple calculation. So the radius we have got as 3.5 centimeter. Next we shall discuss question number 7. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Here no measurements are given to us, only a condition which is connecting the diameter of the moon and the diameter of earth is given. That is, diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. That is the condition given to us. We are asked to find out the ratio of their surface areas. As we know, for any calculation which is related to the sphere, we need a radius. But here only the relation is given to us. As we know, the moon and earth, all it is considered as spherical shape. So let's take the diameter of earth be x, because the statement ends here with the diameter of earth. So this one we can take it as x. Then diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. That means 1/4 of x. So diameter of the moon is 1/4 of x. That means x by 4. Now we have the diameters of earth and moon. Let's take the radius. So radius of the earth means diameter by 2, half of the diameter, that is x by 2. Then diameter of the moon, that is half of x by 4. Half of x by 4 in the sense 1/2 into x by 4. Half means 1/2. So here in the numerator 1 into x, that is x. 2 into 4 in the denominator, 2 into 4 is 8. So now both the radii we have got. We didn't take r1, r2 and all. Let's substitute directly. Ratio of their surface areas, that is what the question. Here it is first mentioned moon. That's why surface area of moon divided by surface area of earth. So surface area of moon, both it is considered as spherical in shape. Surface area of sphere formula is 4 pi r square. 4 pi into, here r we didn't assume. So first one is moon. That's why 4 pi into radius of moon. That is mentioned in the numerator. Then 4 pi into radius of earth, that is in the denominator. Earth in the sense x by 2 is the radius. Here 4 pi is common in both numerator and denominator. Let's cancel it. Then substitute. Radius of moon we have x by 8. So x by 8 the whole square. divided by radius of earth. Radius of earth we have x by 2. So x by 2 the whole square. Then let's take it the calculation. X by 8 means x square by 8 square. Division we write as multiplication. Then take the reciprocal of the denominator. Reciprocal of the denominator means keep up down. That's all. Denominator will go to numerator. Numerator will come to the denominator. That is what the reciprocal. Division we change to multiplication. So here 2 square divided by here x square. Then here x square we can cancel. Then 2 square is 4 and 8 square is 64. That is here 4 and 64 we can cancel. 4 and 64 16 times. So x square cancel. 4 and 64 we can cancel as 1 by 16. So we get the final answer as 1 by 16. Instead of this step, from here itself we can write the answer if it is necessary. So you can choose your own convenient method. So the ratio we have got as 1 by 16. Move on to question number 8. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 cm thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 cm. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. Let's go through the question in detail. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel. The thickness is given to us 0.25 centimeter. And one more measurement, the inner radius of the bowl is 5 centimeter. So let's visualize the question. So this is a bowl and inner radius is given to us. Inner radius means from the center to here till the inner edge, that is 5 centimeter. And the thickness of the metal is given to us 0.5 centimeter. So we have to find out the outer curved surface area. Outer curved surface area means this portion, outer portion. For calculating the outer curved surface area, we need the outer radius, means from center to the outer edge. So it is quite simple. Here 5, here 0.25. So the outer radius we will get as 5.25 centimeter. So given inner radius is 5 centimeter, outer radius we can calculate 5 plus 0.25, that is 5.25 centimeter, as it was explained before. Now outer curved surface area. We know the curved surface area of hemisphere. Since the ball is in hemispherical shape, we can use the formula of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. That is 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into radius, that is 5.25. So 5.25 into 5.25. So the calculation part you will do it as homework. Next we shall discuss the 9th question. Assume pi is equal to 22 by 7 unless stated otherwise. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Find the first question, surface area of the sphere. Here a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. The meaning of the question is you are just keeping a sphere inside a cylinder. You are just keeping a sphere inside the cylinder. The visualization of the question comes like this. There is a sphere inside the cylinder. And when the sphere is inside the cylinder, we must note something. The radius of the sphere is given to us r. And this radius of the sphere must be equal to the radius of the cylinder. Then only it will exactly fit into the cylinder. So surface area of sphere, quite simple. It is just a formula only because the radius given to us r. So the surface area of sphere means formula itself, that is 4 pi r square. Next part, curved surface area of cylinder. As we know the curved surface area of cylinder formula, that is 2 pi rh. We need two dimensions. One is the radius and another one is the height. So here radius, as I mentioned before, it will be same as r itself, that is the radius of the sphere. And from the center to here, that means this also the radius of the sphere. And from the center to down, this portion also radius of the sphere. So this radius of the sphere or the sphere is exactly fit into the cylinder, means this portion is touching the center of the cylinder. Here also this portion is touching the center of the bottom portion or the circular portion. That means this distance, that means the height we can calculate by adding r and r, because for a sphere center to circumference, that is the length, we can call it as a radius. So r plus r, that is 2r is the height of the cylinder. That's right, radius of cylinder must be equal to r. Height of the cylinder is r plus r, that is equal to 2r. So we have got both radius and height. We can calculate the curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder formula is 2 pi RH. So let's substitute this one. So 2 into pi into r remains r only. H we have got as 2r. So 2 pi r into 2r, that is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4 pi r into r, that is r square. So the answer is 4 pi r square. The curved surface area of the cylinder is 4 pi r square. Next is ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2. In 1 we have got 4 pi r square. In 2 we have got 4 pi r square. So both are 4 pi r square. Ratio means 1 divided by the second one. That is, ratio is equal to 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square. Both numerator and denominator same quantities. It can be cancelled and the answer we will get as 1 divided by 1, that is equal to 1. So the ratio is 1 is to 1. So the required ratio is 1 is to 1. Dear students, today we have discussed surface area of sphere and hemisphere, and we have discussed all the questions from exercise 13.4. I request all the students to go through these questions and solve these questions independently in a sheet of paper. Especially you need to be trained for multiplication, the end of the calculation. And if you have any doubt while solving, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the discussion session. Thank you for watching.